Hi, I'm Chef Jay and from Makara. I'm going to show you how to cook the rice, okay? So you put about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups of rice, and put some water in it. And then you can see all the water pretty milky. You want to make it clear so you can see the rice. So make sure all those milky water will be drained out. You do rinse it about 4 or 5 times. You know, it's up to you. You know, see how milky they are. So try to move it out. You can see right now it's very milky type of water. You want to clean that out so the rice won't stick together too much. So right now, rinse it another time. Do a few times, you should be ready for cooking. Do a couple more times. I'm at the restaurant, but I'm using a small rice cooker, so like you could do it at home, you know. So right now the rice is pretty clear. You can see it right now. Maybe this should be enough for doing it, you know. So you drain that out. So right now you're gonna put a cup. Put about 5 cups of water should be enough. So I'm gonna put 5 cups of water in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe close to 5, I think should be okay. I usually eyeball it, so about within close to 5. So you will see it that much. So ready for cooking right now. So 5 cups of water should be good. And we're gonna cook it and see how it's gonna go. So the rice has been cleaned, so it's ready to cooking. You let it, after the rice is clean, you want to let it set it for about 10 minutes. So let it soak for 10 minutes before you start cooking. I have already did that, and I'm gonna push it and let it cook. So make sure you know water is about probably within 5 cups or 5 cups a little less or a little more, depend on the rice. So at home, anytime you use a long grain rice is be able to use for sushi rice, or even you don't use for sushi rice for cooking at home. So usually you let it sit for about 10 minutes before you start into cooking. So we're starting cooking, and I'm going to show you how to do the vinegar mix. Okay? Okay. Give me a second, and we're gonna do the vinegar mix. Okay. Okay, we're gonna start to mix the vinegar. So we have a cup of regular vinegar, any kind of vinegar at home. It's like 5% acidity. So there we go. That's how much we have. First, you put a half teaspoon of salt in it. You know, not a whole lot, but that much. Put that much salt in it, and then you're gonna add about, if you like, you don't have to, put about another little bit of dashi. This is the dashi, you know. This is the whatever they call it. Dashi. You don't have to put it. You don't have to put it we don't like it. So we put about 5 teaspoons of sugar in it. 1 tablespoon, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you just mixed it up. You know, there's people want to cook it with heat. I usually don't cook it with heat. I just stir it, you know, let it dissolve, and it's ready for use for the sushi rice. You know, at home, you know, most people have vinegar at home. You don't have to go buy it. But if you really wanted it, you could buy that at the store. You know, the sushi ready mix. There is a bottle already mixed it ready for you. But this at home, you know, if you don't have anything at home, you have vinegar, so you could pretty much make it at home. So make sure it's all dissolved and it's ready to use. But you know, usually I use about around 5 teaspoons of it. But if you want to use a little bit more sweeter, you always could add a little bit more sugar into it. You know, so it's kind of on the middle. You know, if you know how people prefer. You know, so it's all dissolved. This should be ready to use. So okay. This is how the sugar after the rice is cooked. So we're gonna mix some sushi rice with it. Okay. Okay, the rice has been soaked for 10 to 15 minutes. You will see it is white. Okay, so ready to cook right now. So click on it and let it sit. Okay, and we'll just fully cook it. And we'll let it sit about 15 minutes and ready for use. The rice is fully cooked. All water has been evaporated. Now it's click off. You want to let it sit about 15 to 20 minutes before use. Okay, after 15 minutes, we want to see what it looks like. Right now, this is the rice, and we're gonna make some sushi rice on it. So I'm gonna move this over, and we're gonna put the plate right here so you can see it. You see it around that area. Okay, so we're gonna mix it. Rice right here. Not making a whole lot. So after the 15 minutes set, we'll mix the vinegar right here. So we're gonna add a couple teaspoons with it, you know. So we'll put 3 on it, mix it and see how it go. See if enough. If not enough, then we add a little bit more to it. You don't want to mix too much vinegar in it. So it seems like we need to put a little bit more on it, I think. So just a little bit more, maybe another teaspoon. So, you know. Well, that should be enough. So you can spread it out, mixing it. Make sure it's all mixed up. You don't want that to have a piece of rice in a lump. You know, you want to loosen it up. All the rice kind of loosen up right now. If you're done, all loosen it up, and let it set room temperature. Let it just cool down. You know, don't use a fan to blow. If you're gonna use a fan to blow it, make sure you're gonna keep mixing it. You don't want the rice to be dried up. You know, so maybe you have to spread it out. Maybe you do it a couple times, and you let it sit for maybe like 5 minutes, and do a little stir. You know, so right now we're gonna let it sit, and we're gonna mix it later. But this is pretty much it. You know, I make the video show you how to put the rice on the nori. So this is the rice you could be able to practice at home, and I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, please subscribe, and I got more video coming out very soon. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.